Hey, Brayden. You're a booger.
Bray, you're a booger. Yes, you are. You're. What are you? Bray.
I think you're a booger.
You're not? Really? You smell like poop. Yeah, you do. What do you smell like? Say, ew, you smell like poop.
No, you're a booger. No, you're a booger. No, you're a booger. Brayden's a booger, Ben.
Why?
Because he is.
You're not a booger. You're Brayden. I love you.
You are a booger?
Grabbing the ice cream with you.
You are bugger! You are bugger.
No, I'm Brayden. No, I'm Brayden. No, you're Tina. No, you're Tina.
This is one of the terrible girls tormenting my brother.
Oh, whatever. You said what?
Are you sure?
No, you know the favorite thing.
I was too.
You
I'm just as sad as they are.